Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today I thought I'll do a quick video on an EDC loadout. This is a fancy dinner out EDC loadout. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. So this is an EDC loadout that I actually carry quite often. And when I did a search on YouTube, I realized there aren't really any videos on fancy EDC loadouts. Most of them tend to be gear that you bring out on a daily basis, maybe it's for work, and the loadouts are generally casual or sporty or outdoorsy in nature. No one has really done a fancy EDC loadout, or at least what I have done based on my casual search. So I thought I would share mine. So what I consider a fancy dinner out EDC loadout, well, maybe you're going for a really fancy dinner, you're celebrating an anniversary, so you're going to an international renowned restaurant like McDonald's. Well, then you really want to gear up with a fancy loadout. Now notice I use the word fancy and not necessarily luxurious, because many of the items here are not expensive, but together they kind of look together and can pull off a fancy EDC loadout, a bit like a cheerleader effect. So some things are more expensive, some things aren't, but together they all look pretty fancy. Alright, when I go out for a fancy night out, or whether it's just a corporate dinner or networking event, I won't be carrying a sling bag or a fanny pack or anything like that. Everything will be in my pockets, so my loadout will be in my pockets. So I will have my phone, that'll be in my left pants pocket, so that's always there. I'll have a nice watch, and this is one that I like. I do like big chunky watches, and I do like to be able to see intricate, gears and mechanisms inside. I think that's just pretty nice. So this is a nice decent watch that matches the overall color scheme. In terms of a flashlight, need something really small that can just clip to the pocket, and this is an Olight i3T, and this is a stainless steel version, so it does again match that overall look. In terms of a tool or folder, I'm not going to bring a multi-tool definitely, but I do want a fancy knife. This is a really fancy knife, and this is handmade in France, is by Fontenelle Partout, and this is the Le Capachado knife. So really nice knife, 14C 28N blade steel, mirror finish, very sharp. It is a slip joint, but very strong back springs. The handle is buffalo horn, but this is the bark, so it's the outer layer of the buffalo horn. Really nice, intricate handle over there. And then we do have this hand filed spine. You can see UKG right there for Urban Knife Guy. So overall, a very nice small pocket knife, but definitely very sharp and just nice to have as part of this fancy loadout. And finally, some kind of a wallet, card holder. I don't really generally carry much money, but I do have the money clip here. This is the Lux badge holder and wallet. So there is a money clip, and then you have a slot for all your cards. So yeah, that I have credit cards. I can put my property access card and name cards as well if I need. So that's it, a simple fancy EDC loadout. Not a lot of items, but as I said, I'm carrying everything in the pocket, and I do want everything to kind of match and just look the part. Now, do you carry any fancy EDC loadouts when you go out for special occasions? Do let me know what is your loadout, and do you carry them in your pocket or do you carry them in a bag? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.